Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an important topic to discuss that affects many aspects of our lives: loans. Whether you're a student, a homeowner, or just someone looking to make a big purchase, loans can be a valuable tool. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about loans, from the basics to the different types and how to manage them responsibly. So, let's dive right in. Let's start with the basics. What exactly are loans? A loan is essentially a sum of money that you borrow from a lender, and you agree to pay it back with interest over a specified period. It's like a financial agreement between you and the lender. Now, let's explore the different types of loans that are available. 1. Personal loans are versatile loans that you can use for various purposes, like debt consolidation, vacations, or unexpected expenses. 2. Auto loans are specifically designed for purchasing vehicles. They often come with fixed interest rates and terms. 3. Mortgages are loans for buying real estate, like a house. They typically have longer repayment periods, sometimes spanning decades. 4. Student loans help finance education expenses. They often have lower interest rates and flexible repayment options for students. 5. Business loans are for entrepreneurs and business owners to fund their ventures, expand operations, or cover working capital. 6. Credit cards are a form of revolving credit. You can make purchases on credit and pay them back over time, but watch out for high interest rates. Understanding the interest rates and terms of a loan is crucial. Interest is the cost you pay for borrowing money. The terms of a loan include the duration of the loan and the frequency of payments. Now, let's talk about responsible borrowing. It's important to borrow wisely and manage your loans to avoid financial trouble. Here are some tips. 1. Budgeting. Create a budget to understand your financial capabilities and how much you can afford to borrow. 2. Comparing lenders. Shop around and compare lenders to find the best terms and interest rates for your needs. 3. Read the fine print. Always read the loan agreement carefully to understand all the terms and conditions. 4. Payment plans. Choose a payment plan that suits your financial situation, whether it's a fixed or flexible plan. Paying back loans is as important as borrowing. Let's discuss some strategies. 1. Make timely payments. Pay your installments on time to avoid late fees and negative effects on your credit score. 2. Extra payments. Consider making extra payments when you can to pay off the loan faster and reduce interest costs. 3. Emergency fund. Build an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses, so you don't rely on loans in times of crisis. Loans can be incredibly useful, but they also come with responsibilities. By understanding the different types of loans, interest rates, and repayment strategies, you can make informed financial decisions. Remember, loans are a tool to help you achieve your goals, but it's essential to use them wisely. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable financial content.